Most people don't need more motivation. They need a clear reset. Because the truth is, your life rarely falls apart in one dramatic moment. It collapses slowly through bad habits, wasted time, and silent avoidance. But here's the good news. You can change almost everything in the next 30 days. If you're serious about rebuilding your life quietly and actually following through this time, subscribe. This channel is for people who are done wasting their potential. Now let's start with the mistake that keeps most people stuck. People try to change everything at once. New routine, new mindset, new goals, new life, and they fail. In less than a week. Not because they're weak, but because they're overwhelmed. Real change doesn't start with intensity. It starts with removing chaos. So the first step of the 30-day reset is simple. Stop adding. Start subtracting. Fix your environment. For the next 3 days, you don't chase goals. You clean your life. Clean your room. Delete distracting apps. Organize your desk. Set a simple sleep schedule. This sounds small, but environment controls behavior more than motivation ever will. When your space is clear, your mind follows. And this creates momentum without forcing discipline. One non-negotiable habit. Most people choose 10 habits and keep none. Instead, choose one habit that would make the biggest difference if done every day. Here are some examples. 30 minutes of focused study. 20 minutes of exercise. 10 minutes planning tomorrow. Just one, every day, for 30 days. This builds something stronger than motivation, self-trust. And once you trust yourself, everything changes. Remove the hidden drain. There is always one thing quietly destroying your progress. Endless scrolling, toxic comparison, late-night dopamine, avoiding hard tasks. You don't need perfect discipline. You just need to remove the biggest leak. Because success is rarely about doing more, and almost always about stopping what's ruining you. After 30 days, your life won't look perfect. You won't feel like a completely new person, but something quiet appears. Control. You wake up with direction. You trust your actions. You stop hating your wasted time. And that quiet control is where real transformation begins. Not in one heroic moment, but in ordinary days done differently. So if life feels messy right now, don't look for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start the reset. 30 days. 3 simple steps. 1 honest decision to change. In a month from now, you might meet a version of yourself you thought was impossible.